This short video is on a small shave based on a Roman period find. The original was from Sallburg, and there's also an Anglo-Saxon version from West Stow. They are presumed to be leatherworking tools, and in leatherworking they worked perfectly well as a lunette for cutting leather. But also it has been found that they work very well as a hand shave for woodworking. So we could say it's quite a versatile tool, and the presumption that it's purely a leatherworking tool may be somewhat erroneous. The possible woodworking shave from Sallburg.